Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will teach you how to create TikTok account, and step by step I will create TikTok account and you will learn very easily in step by step. Thank you. So like and share the video. If this video helps to you, please like and share, and it will definitely bless others and you will be definitely blessed. Thank you so much for watching. Meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating. And if you have any problem, let me know down below in the comment box. I will definitely try to make a dedicated video for it. And let's start. Assalamu alaikum. How to create TikTok account in smartphone Infinix Smart 20. This is TikTok and this is AI.
आपकी तो हार्ट बीट बढ़ी हुई है. अरे डॉक्टर मैडम ये तो
Turn off
आपको
this.
देख के बढ़ गई.
Go to profile. There are 3 options to log in, but we have not account, so we cannot log in. If you have account, you can log in, but in this way case I will go to sign up. Under this, don't have an account, right from it sign up. Right from it click sign up. Here is number. First select country. From here select Pakistan. Go to search Pakistan PK and select Pakistan. It is basically prefix plus 92 is prefix. Every country has its prefix. And dial number here. Once you dial number, click continue. An OTP will be sent to your number. You have to write this OTP in here. It will automatically fetch if the SIM is in your mobile. But here in this case, I have this keypad mobile and OTP is sent to this mobile. This is OTP and I will write it from here to my mobile 923110 and automatically it detect. Select birthday. When's your birthday? Your birthday won't be shown publicly, so select birthday. It doesn't matter that it actually that is on your CNIC ID card. It doesn't matter. Select whatever randomly and click it review. You can be 18, it's okay, but if you are not 18, it's also okay. I think doesn't matter because it is not the Nadra app or police verification app. It is just simple TikTok. Here's the main thing: create password strong. I will give you 2 advice. First is create strong password. Second is never ever share your password with anyone else. And the third advice is take screenshot and keep it in a lock folder, because you can forget your password and this screenshot will very helpful. But never ever share your password with anyone else. Okay. There is a policy. Your password should be minimum 8 character and maximum 20 character, in which your 1 letter, 1 number and 1 special character is must. I have created my password, strong password, and here is create nickname. It's only nickname. It's I think done. This is SSM. I have created this nickname. You can create your whatever nickname. It can be your short form of your name, your
तमीज बदमाश निकल यहाँ से.
and my account is ready. So let me show the name of my nickname that I have created before. Go to profile. See this, my friend, SSM. This is my account ready. One more thing, you can edit. Go to edit here and you can add profile picture. You can add profile picture from here. If you want, you can go to upload photo and you can select from your gallery whatever else. And I will don't, as I have already told you, I will use it privately. You can edit, go to edit and change username and nickname, but remember it can only change once in a 7 days. So after 7 days I can change it up in 15 August. So keep the name carefully. And this is link and this is username anyways. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like, share
थप्पड़ मारूंगी. Sorry.
and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.